So let us try to find the solution for this. Okay, so first we'll look at uh, the inner brackets. Okay, so we'll try to simplify first. So we get that as 4, okay, minus I, okay, and then we'll multiply this. So this becomes minus 4, okay, plus I, and plus 8I, and minus 2I square. Okay, so again, I square we know that as minus 1. So after simplifying, you get minus 2 plus 9I. Okay, let us find the solution for this. Okay, so when we multiply this, we get this as my minus 5 into 3 by 5, okay, into I into I. Okay, so which will get as minus 3I square, which is equal to 3. Find the solution for this. So we'll write down the 5 plus 5I by 3 minus 4I. Okay, now uh, let us take the conjugate of 3 minus 4I, which is 3 plus 4I by 3 plus 4I, okay, and 20 by 4 plus 3I, okay, and conjugate of this will be 4 minus 3I, okay, by 4 minus 3I. Okay, so uh, let us multiply. So this is 15 plus 20I and 15I plus 20I square, right? And in the denominator you will have this is a minus b and a plus b, so this is 9 minus 16I square, okay, plus this will be 80 minus 60I by this is 16 minus 9I square. Okay. So, and further if you simplify, this will have minus 5 plus 35I divided by this will be 25, and this is 80 minus 60I. Will keep it like that because we'll simplify this later. So since the denominator is same, we can put that together, and then finally we get 3 minus I, okay, after solving it. So let us find the solution for this. Okay, so I'll consider 1 by 3, okay, plus 7 3I plus 4 plus I by 3. Okay, I remove the brackets, okay, and I'll take minus inside, so this will be plus 4 by 3 minus I. Okay, so on further we'll take these fractions. Okay, so that is 1 by 3 plus 4 plus 4 by 3, and I terms together I, and that will be 7 by 3, and plus 1 by 3 and minus 1. Okay, so for the simplifying you get 17 by 3 plus I into 5 by 3. That's it. Okay, let us find the modulus and the argument of z. Okay, so we have been given this, right? So let us consider that r cos theta as minus 1, okay, and r sine theta as minus root 3. Okay, now let us square and add uh, these two. So you will get on the left hand side r square cos square theta, and adding this also, that is r square sine square theta, squaring and adding. Okay, likewise we'll square this also on the right hand side, and we'll add this also, minus root 3 whole square. Okay, we are done squaring and adding. Okay, so we get this as r square, so this is cos square theta plus sine square theta. Okay, so this will be 1 plus 3, which is 4. Okay, so cos square theta plus sine square theta, which is 1. So this is r square is equal to 4, or r is equal to root 4, which is 2. Okay, we'll consider r greater than 0. Okay, conventionally we'll consider this. So modulus is 2. Okay, now since both sine theta and cos theta negative, and sine theta and cos theta are negative in the third quadrant, so the argument will be minus of pi minus pi by 3, okay, which is equal to minus 2 pi by 3. Okay, okay. So let us find the solution. Z as minus root 3 plus I. So let r cos theta, which is minus root 3, and r sine theta as 1. Okay, and squaring and adding both sides, so you get r square cos square theta plus r square sine square theta. Okay, so here also we add and square it. Okay, say take r square common, cos square theta plus sine square theta. Okay, so when you add this, you'll get 4, right? And further cos square theta plus sine square theta, which is 1, so r square you get as 4, or r is equal to 2. So again here we conventionally we take as r greater than 0. Okay, so modulus is 2. Okay, so now r is 2, so 2 cos theta, right, which is equal to minus root 3, and 2 sine theta is 1. Okay, or cos theta, which is uh, minus root 3 by 2, and sine theta, which is 1 by 2. Okay. Therefore theta will be pi minus pi by 6. Okay, so which is 5 pi by 6. Okay, okay. So r is 2, that modulus is 2, and the argument is 5 pi by 6. Okay, okay, let us find the solution for this. Fine, so this is 1 minus I. Okay, again let us take that is r cos theta is 1, and r sine theta, which is minus 1, right?
Minus 1.
So squaring and adding both sides, r square. So we know this cos square theta plus sine square theta, right? So which is equal to 1 square plus 1 square, right? Again, this is r square. We get this as 2, or r is equal to root 2. Okay, we got this. So we take this r as greater than 0. So root 2 cos theta, which is equal to 1. Okay, so cos theta will be 1 by root 2. Okay, and sine theta uh, is also, you'll get this as minus 1 by root 2. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so and theta lies in the fourth quadrant, so that is theta, you'll get that as minus pi by 4. Okay, fine. Now, so here let me, so 1 minus I, right, which
Yes, sir.
is equal to r cos theta plus I sine theta, right? So which is equal to, uh, so we got r as root 2. Okay, there is r here. Okay, don't forget that. So root 2 cos, now theta, which we found as minus pi by 4, uh, because it lies in the fourth quadrant. So this is minus pi by 4. Okay, and plus I root 2 sine minus pi by 4. Okay, okay, further we can write this as uh, root 2 as common. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this will be cos of minus pi by 4. Okay, plus I sine minus pi by 4. So this will be the required polar form. So let us solve this. Okay, so again z is equal to 2 plus 2 root 3i. So r cos theta, which is 2, right?
Yes, sir.
R sine theta, which is 2 root 3. Okay, now squaring and adding, so you get r square cos square theta plus sine square theta, which is 2 square plus 2 root 3 whole square. Okay, so further this will be r square and cos square theta plus sine square theta, which is 1. So this will be 4 plus this is 4 into 3, which is 12, right? So this will be 16, right? So you get r as 4, again considering r greater than 0. Okay, okay, and theta, that is r, which is 4 cos theta, which is 2. Okay, and 4 sine theta, which is 2 root 3, or uh, this will get as cos theta as 1 by 2 and sine theta as root 3 by 2. Okay, okay, so here
Yes, sir.
if you consider this as theta will be 60, which is pi by 3. Okay, okay, now let us take 2 plus 2 root 3 I. Okay, so which is r, which is 4, right? Okay, let us put that cos pi by 3 plus I into 4 sine pi by 3, right? So we'll take 4 common. Okay, so this will be cos pi by 3 plus I sine pi by 3. Okay, also we can write this as 4 into e to the power of pi I by 3.